That tough.
Who Alkaline a shoot at? Alright, make we talk about this dog. Who Alkaline a shoot at? The dog say who Alkaline a shoot at. Alright.
Alright, you see Alkaline, let me talk. You see Alkaline, you know, Alkaline is a very unique artist, you know. Him calculated, but sometimes I feel like him too calculated. Cause why me I say that? You know? We
I'm not too calculated.
Yeah, when finish my point. The song when him drop. Here we go on with Alkaline. Alkaline have to be careful, you know, brother. Cause me, I only for people start see the pattern, you know. Alkaline I drop some song from what year? Them not it. Me I tell you the truth, they not it. Another Alkaline the people know and love.
I know
So
another Alkaline that them want.
Yeah, as soon as Alkaline drop in a spot like that, we see him do it already around 2 times before now.
Yeah, man,
Him
a real
drop
talk.
a song and then him do some little thing in it to make it seem like a subliminal, or him start do a little one this. You have to be careful, you know, when you become the type of artist that where people just look on you and say, alright, no, go him, you know. You soon see him shade a man there now for try draw out a man to get back some energy around his name. So me not too rate them type of style. And the song when drop, I know the best. It was like a okay, fairly good song. I know nothing special. But you have to be careful how you go about them things. Because they really and truly, the rest of man them really not meds Alkaline. Every man a meds themselves right. I know every man done so right. I know every man a scammed on the place right. I know. You see me? Every man a
real
pop
talk,
them
man, a real
bill
talk.
right. I know. Every man want
He PS left Alkaline long time ago, eh?
Yeah, every man want them
PS left him
threesome
long
right
time
now,
ago.
and every man want them threesome. Every man done sort. Every man a clear 100 million off a line a jagger. You see me?
Every man a chat to his client. Hello?
Yeah, no man.
Just chop a skull on the line.
Yeah, chronic law still in a film pain and him not trust nobody and squash I enjoy
Squashing I bought
himself
this
in
in a
riches
real
and I
life.
just had squash a dance and I make them know say him a godfather and kingpin and them know that
Foot.
no man no really depend that
Popcorn
right
in the
now,
river swim
brother.
and all these things.
Popcorn in the river swim and make people know them not depend in levels and I tell people about them mother all the while and fly out gone go do big stadium and brother, nobody not depend that type of ball game there right now, brother. You want war, wait till thing come, go out on stage. Done, simple. But for now, brother, I'll have careful. You see, teacher allow them style from
A
around
real
3
talk,
years
real
ago.
talk. Me like how you touch right there, so.
The
Me
man
like how you
need,
touch right
the
there, so.
man
That's a
need,
reality.
right now alone,
Cartel
girl thing.
low out that something
Right now alone, girl tune me see teacher drop back and I get back him look buzz, see him we and him look reality tune them more while.
Everything where you just say, a reality. You see me? Me know everybody we are watch are dead with laugh. Me know everybody we are watch a pop up right, a crack up right now. You see me? Me know everybody we are watch agree and concur with everything we are say, just like how me agree with everything we are say. But what me want to say is
dog.
the pace left Alkaline and maybe and well Alkaline, as I say, Alkaline do that something there 2 times already and it did work for him, but it now gonna work for him right now because the state where dancehall is in, and the state where dancehall is in is Alkaline not in that something there. Alkaline is not within that mix. Alkaline is like an outcast in dancehall where the topic where the topic of dancehall is concerned. When Alkaline been doing them thing there, everything did surround and revolve around him and him create a situation and make himself even bigger and make him immortalize himself back in them time there. He does say leave Alkaline alone.
Nobody not trouble him.
We not trouble Alkaline in the dark. We not trouble Alkaline. We only give you opinion. We only give you opinion based on where dancehall is because as CM Entertainment say,
Everybody on the live listen Alkaline. Nobody not trouble Alkaline. Melissa City
remember say,
like wow. Melissa City
what?
like wow. Two of my famous here City. Nobody not trouble him. Just like how we can come forward and say this about an artist with objective view what we think. Yes,
Yeah.
nobody not trouble nobody not beat nobody. Just like how we talk about Skilly a while ago, and we say Skilly did find the crocodile teeth, then him start do some one bag of other sitting. Everybody will give them constructive criticism. Remember, the whole of them are artists, the whole of them are Jamaican artists, the whole of them are dancehall artists. That no means so we can't critique them.
Hold on. It dark say Alkaline have the most. It dark say Alkaline. It dark say Alkaline have the most loyal fans in a dancehall. Still check his stats. Me agree with that. And the reason why me agree with that is Alkaline pattern Vybz Kartel and where Vybz Kartel do.
Wait. Me not cut you. Me ask a question. Stats, what you mean? Like, what exactly we are look for? We understand about the fan base part, but when you say the stats, what exactly we are look for?
But me until him reply to that, then me go say what me I say.
Yeah. Who comment that? Make me know exactly what we look for when I say check the stats.
Kartel have the most loyal fans, pa. As me say, Kartel have the most loyal fans in dancehall, hands down, no joke about it. The impact where Kartel have on we in a music from school days till now. I don't know joke thing. I don't know joke. Me I tell you say, yo, man a best friend. Girl and girl, we are best friend. And man, we are best friend. Fight. Literal fight over Gaza and Gully. You see me? But the point what me I try to make now is the reason why Alkaline have the most loyal fans is Alkaline pattern Vybz Kartel from before Alkaline even bust into the business, and when Alkaline come into the business, everything when we learn and study about Vybz Kartel, him execute it within dancehall and before us. Him display that in front of we and make we see it. And we see it, and even now, Alkaline still have Vybz Kartel is immortalized within dancehall, and that is a fact. You cannot even complain about that because Kartel about 50 right now.
Fan base in a dancehall.
Kartel about 50 right now, and when me do a video, when anybody do a video about Kartel and talk about Kartel and fans think about Kartel, we not talk about this man. We are almost 50. We are talk about this man. We're probably younger Alkaline. Talk truth. We are think about Kartel as a man we're in an Alkaline age group or a man with a little bit old and Alkaline. You see me? That is immortalizing yourself within the fans' mind.
Yeah,
so when Kartel drop any type of music, we not gonna say, yo, what is a old man you sing about, or with our Bunty, our Beanie drop certain song, and we say, yo, them feel love certain things. No, we dead and we hungry feet. We ready to listen what I'm gonna say. You see me? So that is what me say Alkaline do with him fan base. But where the music is concerned, the fans them, him loyal fans them now show that sometime. You see me?
Yeah. Everything where you say, I saw it go, man, cause right now when you are pre-Kartel, right now people just expect Kartel for just continue upon the pace where they pan for the rest of them life. Them even
and them don't know say Kartel could have been with grandfather.
But to all him transcend over time and ever relevant to every generation, ever in the latest, ever have it. You see me? When you listen being and born to them now, you just know say them man are all veteran.
The music not stay like that.
Yeah, and Kartel in a age far from them. But to all you look upon him and even remember say, you know say
him a 50.
Him a 50. Remember, you know,